Hi, students and participants to the Tech Case Study 2020. My name is Ida Reuterswärd and I work at the Swedish Embassy in Belgrade. I work with environment and climate issues, and I'm very happy that you have joined the Tech Case Study this year. And due to the COVID-19 situation, we will do it together online. I want to bring up 3 topics with you. The first one is how and why do we work together with Serbia? Sweden and Serbia has a long-standing development cooperation. Sweden supports Serbia with more than 13 million euros per year, and we work together on democracy, on gender, and on environment. And we work together with the Serbian government, with municipalities, with civil society, businesses, and, for example, University of Belgrade. And now we want to reach you, because perhaps you are going to work for the government, for businesses, for University of Belgrade in the future, here in Serbia or in Europe. Swedish support to Serbia is about supporting the EU reform process. We want to work together with Serbia on democracy and environment and bring up the importance of high environmental standards. Our support within the environmental field covers more than 2 million euros per year. And for example, we do projects on water management. We work with Niš and Čačak, the municipalities and the Ministry for Environmental Protection, to build wastewater treatment plants. We think that the water needs to be clean when it comes from the villages, from the toilets to the river. And we're doing great progress together with Serbian partners. We also work on waste management. We work so we will not put up big landfills with waste, but instead working on recycling of waste in different fractions. Not to put everything on a big pile on the landfill, but to separate glass and plastic and bio-waste. That is better for the environment and for the economy and for health. So we also work a lot with the Belgrade University and the Ministry for Environmental Protection to work on Industrial Emission Directive, an EU directive. It is really about cleaner production, to make things smarter, to use less resources in business. And we have been working with Serbian businesses for many years to improve their environmental standards. And now you are going to be challenged to think how to improve cleaner production. The second message I want to send, or I want to tell you, that I was also a student on cleaner production. I was also working on improving my thinking. How can industries and businesses and government become smarter and better using resources? This is what cleaner production and circular economy is about. And I was studying together with 20 students from 20 different countries. And the good thing was that everyone had their background. Lawyers, engineers, or business background. And together we could solve problems on cleaner production. We were trained to think together from our different specialities and knowledges. And that is what I think is what is really interesting working on cleaner production, and that what you will be challenged now to do, to work together and to blend ideas, your different ideas, and to come up with a solution. And here comes the final message. Why do we want to make this competition with you? We think that you, who are young, have good or better ideas than grown-up people. Well, actually, many adults say that we tried this before, or it's too costly, or it's too complicated. But we think that you can make an effort and challenge your minds and our minds, thinking we can find ways, we can save resources, and we can think different solutions into one holistic package. How can we improve business with the energy, water, and different things to think about? So this is your challenge. And really, the coming years, the coming decades, environmental and climate issues are going to be an important thing to think about, not only if you're working exactly on the environment, but being in this society, because we have huge environmental and climate challenges in front of us. And now we think that you will be coming up with great ideas, and you will be delivering ideas for the future. And I look forward to follow up and hear your ideas and see the finalists later on. Good luck.
Okay, good luck.